This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements. iOS 18 and sufficient battery, then open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper, or long press the lock screen to enter edit mode. Pick whether you'll use a live photo you already took or a built-in live wallpaper pack. This matters because live photos behave slightly differently. Once done, tap Add New or Customize to begin. That action creates the editable canvas where you'll import and position the live asset for the lock screen. You now import the live asset. Choose a live photo from Photos or select one of the iOS Live Wallpaper options. Make sure to pinch and drag to frame the subject. This affects how motion looks when activated. Toggle perspective zoom off if you want static framing, and confirm the live toggle is on so the photo plays on press. Also, add focus filters or widgets for context. They don't stop the live effect, but change what appears over it. Finish by tapping Done and choosing Set as Lock Screen, then test the effect with a firm press or long press on the lock screen. If the motion doesn't play, make sure the image is a live photo and that live photo playback and haptic touch are enabled in accessibility. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, then recreate the wallpaper. That clears cached display glitches. If it still fails, try a different live photo to rule out a corrupt media file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.